Hello friends, welcome to Basic Math. Today's our topic is intervals. So first let me explain the definition of interval. So interval is a set of real numbers that contains all numbers between any two numbers of the set. So symbolically intervals are denoted by parentheses. So that is open bracket and closed bracket, and symbolically intervals are written by if A belongs to S. So here S is a set and B belongs to S and X belongs to R. So X belongs to R, so that is any number that belongs to real number set such that A less than X less than B. A less than X less than B and X belongs to set S. X belongs to the set X. So here the number X which is between A and B. Between the A and B. So for example, the set of real numbers X satisfies this condition: 0 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 1. So which is interval contains, so here 0 less than or equal to X. So this means X is greater than or equal to 0. So X value is greater than or equal to 0, and next condition is X less than or equal to 1. X less than or equal to 1. So combining these two equations, here X value is greater than or equal to 0 and X value is less than or equal to 1. So X contains 0 and 1 and greater than values of 0 and 1. So this is the definition of interval. So next, types of intervals. So we have two types of intervals. So that is open interval and closed interval, semi-open interval and semi-closed interval. So first let me explain open interval. So open interval is denoted by this open interval. If A comma B, definition of open interval is if A comma B belongs to R and A less than B. A value is less than B. And the set of open interval can be written as X belongs to R such that A less than X less than B. A less than X less than B. So this includes, so I am simplify this condition, that is if A less than X less than B. So this means A less than X is nothing but X value is greater than A, and next one is X less than B. So X value is greater than A and X value is less than B. So the value of X between A and B, the value of X between A and B except AB values, So this is called open interval. So open interval includes between the values of A and B but not the end points. So here I am taking one example. So 20 comma 40. So this is notation of open interval. This can be written as 20 less than X less than 40. 20 less than X less than 40. Simplify. So this is 20 less than X, that means to X greater than 20. So next one is X less than 40. So here the value of X greater than 20. So 20 is not included. Next, the value of X less than 40. So 40 is not included. So therefore in open interval except end points, between the points are included. So this is the open interval. Next, second one is closed interval. Closed interval. So closed interval is denoted by A comma B. So the set closed interval that can be written as X belongs to R such that A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. So that is A less than or equal to X and x less than or equal to b. So a less than or equal to x means x is greater than or equal to a. X is greater than or equal to a. So x value is greater than or equal to a, and x and also a is included, and x less than or equal to b. So x value is less than b, less than value of b, and b is also included. So in this closed interval, end values are includes but not greater than b value, Let me see one example. Here closed interval 0, 20. So this can be written as 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 20. So that is 0 less than or equal to x and x less than or equal to 20. So here 0 less than or equal to x means x greater than or equal to 0 and x less than or equal to 20. X less than or equal to 20. So in this x greater than or equal to 0. So x includes 0 and x less than or equal to 20. X less than or equal to 20. So x includes 20 also, but not greater than 20. But next one is semi-closed interval. So it is denoted by a comma b, and the set a comma b can be written as x belongs to R such that a less than or equal to x less than b. A less than or equal to x less than b. So here a less than or equal to x and x less than b. So a less than or equal to x means x is greater than or equal to a, and also x less than b. So the x value is equal to a and the greater value of a, and the x value is between a and b. So not greater than b and not less than b. So this is called left on closed and right on open interval. So for example, same I am taking 20, 40. So 20, 40. So this can be written as 20 less than or equal to x less than 40. 20 less than or equal to x less than 40. So that is 20 less than or equal to x less than 40. So 20 less than or equal to x means x is greater than or equal to 20, and same x less than 40. So the value of x is greater than or equal to 20. So here 20 includes and greater value of 20 here. Next x less than 40. So here 40 is not included. 40 is not included and less than 40 value is included. Less than 40 value is included. Okay. So this is semi-closed interval. So next one is semi-open interval. So it is denoted by a comma b. So here open a, closed b. Open a, closed b. So the set can be written as a comma b, x belongs to R such that a less than x less than or equal to b. A less than x less than or equal to b. So this is called left hand open and right hand closed interval. So a less than x and x less than or equal to b. So a less than x means x is greater than a, and x value is less than or equal to b. So x is greater than a. So here x value, a value is not included and x value is greater than value of a, and here b is included and b value is less than, x value is less than b. So here next one is semi-infinite intervals. Semi-infinite intervals. So closed a comma open infinite. So this is written as x belongs to R, a less than or equal to x, and next one is open minus infinite comma closed a. So the set can be written as x belongs to R such that x less than or equal to a. Next one is infinite intervals. Infinite intervals. So that is open a comma infinite such x belongs to R such that a less than x. Next one is open infinite comma a, x belongs to R such that x less than a. Next one is open minus infinite comma infinite x such that x belongs to R. Okay, so this is the infinite intervals. So I am taking one example, that is write x greater than 2 in interval notation. X greater than 2 in interval notation. So that is x value is greater than 2. So that is x value 2 to infinite value. X value is defines 2 to infinite values. So this can be written as minus, first one is 0 to this negative values, in this positive values. So here x value is 2 to up to infinite values. So x value 2 to infinite values, so that can be written as 2 comma x belongs to 2 comma infinite. So final conclusion of intervals. So here I am taking 0 comma 20. So the closed interval includes value 0 and open interval not 0. Open interval not includes 0. Same as it is 20 is also open interval parenthesis not 0 and closed interval includes 0. So finally closed interval includes the values, endpoints values, and open intervals not includes endpoints. So this is the topic of intervals. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.